AMC has established a new record for this week, and it is impossible to ignore the statistics that have been made. In light of the fact that millions of people are going to the theater to watch movies, AMC is exhibiting indications of strong fundamentals and large revenue growth in this article. We will discuss what this means for AMC, its potential in the months to come, and the reasons why the company could experience big gains based on true performance indicators. Recently, AMC recorded the largest number of attendees in a single week of 2025. The previous records were surpassed by the number of guests who visited AMC theaters and Odeon cinemas, which surpassed 6.9 million. Increasing attendance is not only a good sign for the film business, it is also a sign for other industries. This has a direct influence on the financial health of AMC. An increase in foot traffic leads to a rise in ticket sales, which in turn promotes purchases of food and beverages, and it also supports other revenue streams inside the organization. In light of the fact that consumer interest is still at a high level and the entertainment industry is continuing to improve, these facts indicate that AMC has a great potential for performance in the fourth quarter. Revenue has been significantly increased by AMC's recent initiatives, such as the introduction of the popcorn pass. Additionally, this initiative stimulates extra purchases, which in turn increases overall engagement at theaters while simultaneously raising revenue from concessions. AMC's fundamentals are strengthened with each strategic move, from ticket sales to innovations in food and beverage, which enables the firm to capitalize on expanding attendance and maximize earnings. According to the most recent estimates, the domestic box office has been performing exceptionally well over the course of multiple weeks, with large contributions coming from the release of blockbuster films. Both October and November have already given fantastic numbers, and it is anticipated that December will continue the trend that has been established. It is expected that next releases, which may include films that are widely anticipated, will continue to retain momentum, which will further improve AMC's revenue streams. The consistent growth in attendance serves as evidence that the average amount spent by each visitor is also increasing, which contributes to the overall earnings. When evaluating the value of AMC's fundamentals are vitally important. There are several indicators that point to a company being in a solid financial position, including increasing customer interaction, strategic programs such as Popcorn Pass, and growth in revenue. Even while the exact revenue numbers for the fourth quarter are yet unknown, the data that is now available clearly implies that earnings are on the rise. It is clear that this is reflected in the movement of the stock price, which recently demonstrated a weekly increase of 15.71%. Taking into consideration this rate of performance, it is anticipated that AMC may experience significant growth over the course of time if this performance continues, taking into consideration the fact that the present market price does not accurately reflect the underlying worth of AMC is an essential idea. An increasing number of retail investors as well as institutional investors are beginning to recognize the potential in AMC, in spite of the fact that ordinary investors continue to show their support for AMC through consistent buying. Institutional ownership has increased, which is a sign of confidence in the way the company is heading. The inflows imply that there is a substantial continuous demand from both individual and institutional buyers. Despite the fact that there have been inaccurate stories regarding retail selling, furthermore, the fact that UBS has acquired 23 million AMC shares in addition to other strategic positions indicates that there is a considerable demand for AMC stock among institution investors. It is also important to note that this underscores the difficulties that short sellers face when they need shares to cover their holdings but are confronted with inadequate liquidity. AMC's excellent fundamentals are being highlighted by the steady accumulation of shares by institutions, which is presenting prospects for possible stock gains. Strategic investments made by AMC also contribute to the organization's financial resiliency. Partnerships and ventures in areas that are complementary to its own. The corporation is able to diversify its revenue streams and more effectively manage its debt. The potential of AMC to generate profits is strengthened with each successful investment, which demonstrates the superior management and strategic planning of the organization. Further bolstering position and bolstering confidence in the company's potential to thrive over the long run is the ability to use money effectively, according to the dynamics of the market. Macroeconomic factors have the capacity to influence broader market trends, including the possibility of volatility that may have an effect on equity prices. AMC, on the other hand, is in a position to function well despite larger market volatility because of its solid foundations, record-breaking attendance, and strategic objectives. To further offer context, it is helpful to monitor liquidity stress in the banking system, interest rates, and indicators of global market conditions. The operational success of AMC, on the other hand, continues to be a crucial factor that stabilizes their stock. AMC is positioned as a firm that has high growth potential as a result of the mix of increasing revenue, constant attendance, targeted programming, and institutional support. Gains on a weekly basis, strong fundamentals, and efficient utilization of capital all point to the possibility that AMC's value will continue to rise over the course of time. By monitoring these variables, analysts and investors are able to find possibilities for long-term returns that are supported by solid performance data rather than guesswork. In a nutshell, the current performance of AMC demonstrates that the number of attendees is increasing. Revenue sources are seeing expansion, and institutional confidence is growing. Programs such as the Popcorn Pass are responsible for driving extra sales, and it is anticipated that subsequent film releases will continue to sustain momentum. In addition to highlighting demand, institutional accumulation helps to decrease the dangers associated with market manipulation. In general, the excellent fundamentals, strategic objectives, and rising market presence of AMC imply a solid basis for future growth. This provides investors with an enticing opportunity to carefully examine the potential of the firm in the months to come. All right, gentlemen, that is all we have for you today. Regarding the stock of AMC, what are your thoughts? Become engaged and share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. You are appreciated for watching.